The Temporary Change of Use (TCU) approval from the Singapore Civil Defence Force (SCDF) is required when a premises or space is temporarily repurposed for events or activities that differ from its original approved use. This ensures compliance with fire safety regulations during events like carnivals, exhibitions, stage performances, or trade fairs. Below is a concise summary of key steps and requirements. When is TCU approval needed? For non-original use of a premises, for example, using a warehouse for a concert or a car park for a carnival. Events involving large crowds, for example, 200 people, or temporary structures, for example, stages, tents, booths. Activities that may obstruct fire exits, emergency routes, or firefighting equipment. Key requirements for TCU approval. Fire safety compliance. Ensure clear, unobstructed emergency exits, minimum 1.2 m width. Provide adequate fire extinguishers, 1 per 200 SKM, and functional fire alarms. Submit a certified emergency evacuation plan with crowd control measures. Structural safety. Temporary structures, for example, stages, tents, must have engineering certifications for stability and safety. No overloading of electrical circuits. Use SCDF-approved suppliers for pyrotechnics, if applicable. Documentation. Submit Form SCDF FSRM 02 Temporary Change of Use Application. Include a site layout plan, marking exits, fire equipment, and assembly points. Attach a valid public liability insurance certificate. Application process. Submit early. Apply at least 1 month before the event via SCDF's Fire Safety Electronic Portal, FSEP. Processing time, 14-21 working days, longer for complex events. Fees. Pay a non-refundable fee. Check SCDF's website for latest rates. Inspection. SCDF may conduct a site inspection to verify compliance with fire safety standards. Post-approval obligations. Display the TCU approval letter prominently at the event. Ensure trained fire safety wardens are present during the event. Adhere to the approved crowd capacity and event timings. Common reasons for rejection. Blocked fire exits or insufficient emergency routes. Missing certifications for temporary structures. Inadequate firefighting equipment or evacuation plans. Sample scenario. Event. Weekend food carnival in a shopping mall atrium. TCU needed. Yes. Original use is retail, not a public event space. Key steps. Submit layout plan, hire fire wardens, certify temporary stalls, and ensure exits are unobstructed. Contact SCDF. Fire Safety and Shelter Department. Email fsdcentralplan@scdf.gov.sg. Phone 6800 1111. Office hours, Mon Free, 8:30 a.m. 5:30 p.m. Always refer to the SCDF Fire Code 2018 and consult SCDF directly for event-specific requirements. For details, visit SCDF's TCU guidelines. Note: failure to obtain TCU approval may result in fines, event shutdowns, or legal action.